That's the last, that's all the pine burning up right there. And I don't dare make the pile any bigger because, you know, this is a neighborhood and you got to be careful about the size of the fire you build. So we are done. We got to rake up a little bit here, but that's it. So let's take a little tour here. This is where we ended. I still got to pick up that, and tomorrow I'll have a big bed of really hot coals, and that'll burn that sweet gum up. And then right here is where I'm going to start with my new fence. I mean, I'm going to replace all of it, but I'm going to start here at this corner. And this property here goes out 2 acres, and that belongs to me. I've just never cleared it, and I kind of like to have this overgrown buffer between me and the next street, because that next street over there is all rent houses, and you know, you never know who lives there. Every day is somebody different, so it just gives me a 2 acre buffer. It makes it harder for people to come over and steal my tools. Not that they would just because they're HUD homes. It's just that when people rent, they don't have the same mindset as people who have the pride of ownership. And you know, I've rented myself and didn't really care much about what the outside looked like. I mean, I never committed crimes. So here we are. And this is where we started. And this here is the corner, and I'm going to go that way, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to go with this fence. Right here. This 4x4 here is where my new fence starts for this new property. I call it new, but I've had it about 15 years now. And all that is the new fence. So there you go. I won't do another video until I start putting fence up. I just went to the post office to mail, remember the guy that I think it was TRX something won, not last week, but the week before? Well, he was out of town and he finally got with me, so I went and mailed his Saturday thing winnings today. And in my post office box was this box. And I won't read you the letter, but Uncle Moose, thank you very much. I really appreciate this. I've heard of this stuff, and I will give this a try. Yep, I'll give it a try. I'll read the instructions too. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. The other day, I bought some Johnsonville. I love sausages. And then I noticed in the bargain basement, they had these marked down 12 for $6. That's 50 cents a link. Hell, this was damn near $6. So I'm fixing them. Since these were marked down, I got to cook them up right away. So I'm going to cook all these at the same time, and I'm going to put them on the bottom, and then I'm going to just absolutely mound this up with onions, because I love onions. That's all I'm doing. Nothing fancy. Well, I think it's missing something. Yeah, it needs more onions. All right. Let me see. What do I have I can throw in there to add some flavor? Let's see. How about liquid smoke? We'll try that. If a little is good, imagine how good a whole bottle's going to taste. Alright, I'm going to hit that with some salt and some pepper and put the lid on. See you in about 4 hours. My goodness, does that look good. Oh. What was that hot? Man, I'll tell you what. I can actually make a meal out of onions. I like onions that much. Alright, this is not... I'm just going to add this to some other video. But I'm done. Let's eat. See ya.